Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. I hope you all are good. Today we are here to climb these mountains, small mountains. So I'm going to show the mountains, so please don't skip the videos and keep on watching. We're going. Some of the students are accompanying with me.
Guys, how are you guys?
So now we are going. So see the blast, see the views. It's so good, right? Just see the views. So here. Huh?
Stay in there. I have to go in there.
From where we will go? Yeah. This one is the very dangerous leaves. That is, when we touch these leaves, it will be itching like anything. It's so painful. So here we are going, and some of the students are climbing heavily. Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Akurot. I'm going to tell you about the views and
Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Isanchan. I'm from Nadi.
Yes.
What's up guys, my name is Yusarkar. I'm from Nago. Hello guys, my name is Abhima. I'm from Nago. Hello guys, my name is Anshan. I'm from Nagaon.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Sakura. I'm coming from Chile.
Okay, now we'll go up.
This is pear tree.
Yes.
In the month of June, it will become like pear. And this is very dangerous thing.
Okay, yes. Let's go on. So
This is pine tree.
we are going to see the beautiful place.
See that?
Yeah.
This is nut tree. This one.
Be careful, be careful.
This is nut tree.
Yes, be careful.
And that is pine tree. See that outside.
Yeah. So nice.
Sir.
So now we are going, and we'll have to cross here. Climb slowly, okay? Don't be hurry. Yeah, see the place. So we are going up here. Yeah. Yes. See the place. ये जगह बहुत खूबसूरत है. Yeah. It's so beautiful. And now we are going up. We are trying to climb that mountain, and some of the students are so happy.
Hi guys. See.
Hi. So this is the place. Today we came over here and see the views. You can see, and from here, if we go front, we can see the river also out there, and it's a beautiful place. See the views. I hope you may like it. And some of the students are here, so they are climbing. So yeah, be careful, students. Be careful. Yeah. So some of the students are here. They are taking rest. And hello guys. Hey. Yes. Yeah, walk slowly according to the route. You can go. See the views. It's a beautiful place, and I'm here. So we are doing okay. Yes, let's go. Yes, we are going up. So here, one road we have already reached here. So we are here on the way. Some of the views are here.
Hi guys. Hello guys.
So
यहाँ से बहुत अच्छा व्यू आएगा और Hi guys. Hello guys.
see the view. So they are running. And this road also one village. It used to go from one village to side. It used to go. So now we are going up here. So we're going here. So some of the students are so happy and they wish to climb the mountains. Even me too. I'm so excited today. Some of the students are, yeah. See the views. And this is pomegranate. It's a beautiful place. Yeah. Wow. Yes, beta. Slowly. Yeah. It's so nice place. Yeah, it's so excited. Oh my Jesus. Yeah. So here, they're all. How do you feel?
Very nice.
Yes, this is the place. And I'm here. So they're so excited. Even me too, I'm so excited. Okay, now we'll just let you see the views. And from that, stone, you just go there. We'll take selfie from there. And here are the place. See the views. You can see the views, see, over here. Some of the students are here. So here. Are you tired?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm very much.
Cross the sea properly.
Sir, उधर swimming pool है. चलना है.
See the place. See the place.
Sir, चल रहे.
Very good. Who is going to carry the bag?
Yes, sir, I am.
It's nice place. You can see over here.
Sir, sir.
One can visit this very nice place.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, this is very nice.
Quick. Let's go.
Sir, you also send me. I call you video calling. Calling. सर आप चलाते हैं पत्थर से जो सर ये जो छोटा होता पत्थर है कान पर तेरे सोकर ओह इस पत्थर इसे फेंक में सर
Yeah. See the views. See the views.
देखो यू प्लीज ओ भाई ओए गिरेगा पेड़ सड़ा हुआ बेटा ये सड़ा हुआ पेड़ बड़ी सड़ा हुआ
Finally, we reached the place. This is a beautiful place that we are planning to cover this one. Careful, careful, careful. Hey, be careful. Are you happy today?
yes sir
Okay, come. Yeah. So, yes. Yes, we will go out there.
sir setting up sir I will back
So, this is the last place. it's so beautiful. See. Wow. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look here. First, 7, 8. So finally we reached the place here. This is the last place. So you can see over here. This is the last place. And I'll see the surrounding. There is the mountain. That is the last place we have covered today. So thank you so much for watching our channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.